The Iver Huitfeldt, F361, serves as the lead ship of the three-strong Iver Huitfeldt class of frigates in service with the Royal Danish Navy today, 2015. The types are based some on the preceding Absalon class, which debuted in 2005 and numbered 2 in all. Construction of the new group spanned from 2008 to 2011, and all 3 vessels have since been delivered for service. While the earlier Absalon class was primarily developed as command and support ships, the Iver Huitfeldt class serves as air defense frigates, and their armament suite has been arranged to reflect this. Iver Huitfeldt was laid down during June 2008 by builder Stålskibsværft, and launched in March of 2010. She was commissioned in January 2011 and currently maintains an active presence in the Royal Danish Navy fleet. The modern Royal Danish Navy is a modest waterborne force consisting of less than 20 primary vessels ranging from large frigates to small patrol vessels. The Iver Huitfeldt class represent the largest ships of the fleet and promote the most displacement and greatest speed capability, modern warships through and through. The Navy utilizes various divisions in its organization. The class has retained the basic design lines of the Absalon class hull, which has served the new warship group well in terms of cost effectiveness. Her multi-mission approach is made possible by a modular arrangement in which sections of the ship can be replaced in a short amount of time to effect an all-new ocean-going role. The Iver Huitfeldt has 6 such module holds for this very purpose. Her profile takes into account much of what has been learned in modern ship design. Very few features break the slab sides of the blended hull superstructure approach. There are 2 main sections of superstructure, one fore and the other aft, and in between these sections is a noticeable gap containing the shrouded smoke funnels. These funnels are of a low-profile design themselves and pyramidal in their shape. Similarly, the main mast is entirely enclosed in pyramidal shape over and aft of the bridge area. Side ports along the aft superstructure area feature inflatable boat release areas for fast interception or boarding actions. The deck gun over the forecastle is mounted high atop a small outcropping of the bridge superstructure, offering it a commanding view of the surrounding waters. As built, Iver Huitfeldt displaces at 6,645 tons under full load. She has a length of 455 feet, a beam of 65 feet and a draft of 17 feet. Her propulsion machinery includes 4 XMTU 8020 volts M70 diesel engines allowing for speeds in excess of 28 knots and ranges out to 9,000 nautical miles. Her crew complement numbers 165. Sensor and processing systems include a Thales Nederland Smart LL Band Air, Surface Search Radar, Pacer type, a Thales Nederland Apar I-band search, tracking and guidance radar fit, Acer type, the Tema Scantas 6000 series surveillance, helicopter guidance radar suite, and a pair of Saab 200 fire control radars. The vessel carries 4 X-Terma DL-12T and DL-6T 130mm decoy launchers. Her landing pad over the stern can support the launching and recovery of a single medium-class Navy helicopter, Westland Lynx, Sikorsky MH-60 types, and full hangar facilities are provided as part of the hull superstructure design. Armament-wise, the warship is well outfitted through a 76mm Otomelara deck gun, 4X vertical launching systems, Mk41 VLS, for 32X SM-2E surface-to-air missiles, SAMs, 2X VLS packs, Mk56 launcher, for 24X RIM 162 ESSM, evolved Sea Sparrow missile, SAMs, up to 16X Harpoon, Block 2, anti-ship missiles, in place of the Mk56 VLS launchers, 2x35mm Oerlikon Millennium Close-in Weapon Systems, SUSES, and 2X Twin Mu-90 impact torpedo launchers. This gives her the capability to engage inbound aerial threats as well as surface and underwater threats as needed. Iver Huitfeldt's sisters, Peter Willemoes, F362, and Niels Jewel, F363, followed in being commissioned during June 2011 and November 2011 respectively. All are in active service today.